Today I want to show you how we do our paraffin wax treatments during our pedicures. Paraffin provides intense moisturization for dry skin. We use paraffin wax in our luxurious spa pedicures at the salon. Paraffin is a soft, colorless wax derived from petroleum. Color, fragrance, and oils are typically added to the paraffin. The paraffin comes in a block. It is melted into a warm liquid in a thermostatically controlled paraffin bath. Originally used as a form of heat therapy for joint pain, paraffin has become a staple in luxury spas for its incredible ability to soften the skin and provide deep relaxation. Hands and feet are not dipped directly into the wax in a salon or spa setting for sanitary reasons. We ladle the wax into plastic bags and then apply them to the hands and feet. There are many home paraffin baths available today. You can dip your hands and feet directly into the paraffin bath because you are the only one using your home paraffin bath. The paraffin peels off easily, leaving your skin feeling moist and warm. The nails have been cut and filed. The cuticles have been pushed back. The feet have been scrubbed and exfoliated, and they have been massaged with a cream. Now it is time for the paraffin. Oils from the paraffin must be thoroughly removed with acetone before polish. As always, I thank you for watching and liking and commenting and sharing and saving this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.